Over 10 million persons on Earth trade the foreign exchange market, known as Forex market. In the Forex market, there are various assets one can trade. Good part is, you can trade anywhere, at the comfort of your home, on the street, or even when traveling. Forex assets are currency pairs, that is, two currencies pegged together. Examples of Forex assets include Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, Euro CAD, GBP JPY, USD JPY, CHF JPY, and lots more. The first currency of a currency pair is called base, while the second currency of a currency pair is called quote. For example, Euro USD. Euro currency is the base, while USD is the quote. Forex retail traders cannot directly trade in the Forex market. For a Forex retail trader to trade the Forex market, he or she needs a bridge to connect him or her to the Forex market, and that bridge is called a broker. Forex brokers help connect Forex retail traders to the foreign exchange market, giving them the ability to trade in the Forex market. Example of a Forex broker is OctaFX. Basically, trading the Forex market is buying and selling, like your everyday physical activities. Only, in the Forex market, you don't need to leave your home, all you have to do is click your buy or sell button. When you click the buy button, you are putting your money on the fact that you have analyzed the market chart properly, and you are confident that the market price will move upwards. When the market price moves upward, above your buy entry price, you will be in profit, and when you close the trade in profit, you have made money. But if the market price goes downward instead, below your buy entry price, you will be in loss, and when you close your trade in loss, then you have lost money. For the sell button, when you click it, you are putting your money on the fact that you have analyzed the market chart properly, and you are confident that the market price will move downwards. When the market price moves downward, below your sell entry price, you will be in profit, and when you close the trade in profit, you have made money. But if the market goes upward instead, above your sell entry price, you will be in loss, and when you close your trade in loss, then you have lost money. Simply put, for the buy button, you make money when the market price goes upward, above your buy entry price, and you lose money when the market price goes downward, below your buy entry price. While for the sell button, you make money when the market price goes downward, below your sell entry price, and you lose money when the market price moves upward, above your sell entry price. But, how can you analyze the Forex market accurately? That is, know what the market price will do at any point in time? Or know why market price does the things it does? Or know where the market price will go to next? UST/FM traders, under Upswitch Tech, paid mentorship enrollment is currently ongoing. Enroll now, to start your journey to becoming a professional Forex trader. In the paid mentorship, the aforementioned questions will be answered with detailed and advanced education, through videos like this, and Zoom meetings. At the end of the paid mentorship, you will be able to use the knowledge acquired, to become a profitable trader. Today, Forex trading has become one of the popular ways to make money in the world. It is risky, yes, but also very much profitable with proper risk management, and discipline applied, with the right mentor guiding you. Contact UST/FM traders, under Upswitch Tech, today. If today was the last day of your life, how exactly would you be prepared for eternity?
Jesus said, "Take heed therefore that the light which is in thee be not darkness." When a room is dark, you use light to find your way. The light helps you to locate your path, your direction, and you don't stumble. But Jesus is saying, be careful so that what directs your path in life is not an evil desire. That's what it means for light to be darkness. Be careful lest what define your choices, what determine your decisions are evil desires. You see, every day you are going to make decisions, you're going to make choices. But what is driving all that? If it is an evil desire, at the end of it, sin is produced, which will, among every other consequence, attract an eternal punishment at the end of your life.
Subscribe to Gideon Usman on YouTube, and join the Glory Generation Telegram channel, for more amazing Word of God teachings. The YouTube and Telegram channel links are in the description below.
Oh, glory to Jehovah God Almighty. Elion. Upswitch tick.